Well, that was good.
Dom and Finn here, and we're about to fly our new H-King Viper 64s. I don't know if you're going to we'd call it formation, or chasing each other around the sky, right, Finn?
Yeah, pretty much.
We did this on the first video, had a lot of fun. I was doing the calling, but now I'm going to insist that Finn thinks it's easy to lead and to call the manoeuvres, so you're going to do it this time.
Okay, I will.
Okay, I will.
He likes being bossy, so good luck, Dom.
He might be a natural at it. Fine by me. All right, so the Trev is here and he's going to do some hand launching. So you're going to be leading. So why don't you go first?
Yeah, I'll go first.
Have you put the camera off macro mode and onto the high-speed zoom mode, Trev?
I have now.
All right.
Yeah.
Now we're ready for some action.
Anyway.
Alright, one off.
Whoop.
Happy with everything?
Okay, Viper number 2. Okay.
Turning left here, Dom half power. Turning right, we'll do a half flat pass. Dom?
Yes, I know, I'm listening.
Okay, half flat, bring it down the runway for a nice slow pass.
Okay, here we go.
Flat stop, turning to the right, I think this is right. Yeah, that's right. And level it out. I'm doing a loop here.
Into wind.
Turning into the strip, I guess.
In front. Okay.
Right, very straight.
Do that a bit further out then, not over our heads.
See? Dom, that's what I was telling you. You know.
I bet you changed your mind now, Don, didn't you, about Finn leading?
Okay, turning back down the runway, I'll mirror you, so if you get below me, I'll stay inverted. Okay, pulling up, and pulling back down over on you.
Yeah, okay.
Flat pass.
Trying to figure out where to go.
Okay.
Okay, together.
Put in the engine full power, or no, full flaps, and just keep it going as slow as you can, as slow as you can.
Yeah, I reckon you should try that again.
Yeah, go round,
Get really
go round.
close and try it again.
It's because it doesn't, I don't know, I just don't like turning full flaps. Okay, full flaps down.
Okay.
Flaps off. On the lead now.
No.
Okay, turning back down the runway, don't do an inverted pass.
No, fast pass. Come on, load. Hit the deck.
Not literally.
Turning backwards. Another downwind half pass. Turning to the left. And I want to do an inverted pass and flip. And
Right, okay.
back down to high speed down.
Stop that, you're telling me when when you're actually halfway through the manoeuvre. Oh God, help me.
Want to do a loop now?
Can't even see you guys.
Over the middle of the pack.
How did that end last time?
Over the middle, you did it over our heads.
Okay.
Middle of the pack.
Race 3. Turn back into the runway down to the right. I want to do another slide flat bar.
Keep going around. I was ahead of you. Keep going around like this. Yeah? Like slow, slow, slow. Keep it tight.
Alright.
Turning in. Go around, keep going round. Do it again.
A couple feet off.
Keep going round, let's do it again. Keep going. Oh, yep. And turn again. One more time.
Yeah, sure.
Same thing. Catch up. And turn again. Now.
Oh, that was good.
Sure. How are we doing time? That's quite a long time. We're having so much fun. One more.
Yeah, okay.
Mirror pass.
Yeah, go for it.
I think we better land it. Going around.
And remember, take off the flat top. I want to do a fly or...
No, we haven't got time for that.
But I will then.
Synchro landing.
I'm full flat.
Yay! That was good.
Yeah, man.
I think we're at probably 2.1 volts per cell.
Probably.
Great fun.
That was cool.
That was good. Your first time calling. I thought that was really, really good.
Yeah, I mean, you're better, but it wasn't bad.
No, it was all right. It's good fun. Anyway, thanks for watching Flying Fin RC, Essential RC, and we'll be doing this soon, right? We're going, where are we going, Trev? In a
Old
few weeks?
Warden.
Old Warden.
Yeah.
Aerodrome to meet Stuart, who's going to be there.
Stuart from
and
Hobby
we'll
King.
have some fun flying some great Hobby King planes. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Adios.
Adios.